to make money on Facebook? Here are 3 ways to help you monetize your content so you can quickly start making money ASAP. Hi, my love. I'm Lorita by name. I create content all about social media growth. So I help people grow their platforms, grow their social media. I give legit tips, strategy on how you can grow your platform. So if you've not given me a subscribe, please do well and subscribe so you can join the community. Okay, guys, let's dive in. Guys, number one on our list is in-stream ads. I will explain. Yes. So, in-stream ads simply means meeting the requirements. Each platform has their own requirements. Like they has their own requirements in which you meet before you can be able to be monetized or you can be able to start earning money from platform. Like this our YouTube now. Everybody knows that you get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour time before you can start making money. So Facebook is you will meet. So you must have 10,000 followers and 600 minutes viewed in the last 60 days. So how can you meet up to this requirement? It's by posting long form video, posting valuable content. So to maintain a long-term success, you must focus on building organic growth through consistency, through posting quality videos, valuable content, by working towards in-stream legibility. You must maintain consistency, quality video, valuable content while working towards in-stream ad legibility. So the second one is by gifting you stars, you earn real money. If your fans gift you stars, you earn real money, just like YouTube super chats. And also you can earn money from ads. Also, you can even run ad on your Facebook, but ad is more expensive. So I would not really advise you should start with running ad, because it will cost you more, remember? And also, you running ad just for the short amount of time, you understand? So it's better you give ads quality, valuable things to maintain organic growth. So the last but not the least is use Facebook brand collab to connect with companies looking for influencers. You work with them, they pay you, you earn money. So which monetization method work best for you? Let me know in the comment section. And also, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so it can reach to others. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.